Yeah, but I got to be at him for sure. There's like one time where I'm like very aggressive.
That's tomorrow.
I guess I'm standing for
We're doing the meeting.
John, how much luck with us?
last year.
My star press the one the rest of the
I gave up.
Were you?
Dude, that was one of the
Literally. That had to be
No, boss. No, boss. Yeah, I know. What did I check? Damn it. Meow.
Yo, I saw you. Dude.
break.
Break, yeah, I love it. Oh, I love it, man.